Hola, buenos dias, good morning. How are you, my dear friends? We're now pretty close to our last days in this 2019. Now we have beautiful dates from December 29th until the end of the year and going until January 4th, 2020. So we are beginning of this new year, and we have, as always, very good advices from the Mayan calendar. The Mayan updates are living beings, we can say that. They're connecting with the frequencies of the sky and the air. So whatever is the situation, as we feel, we connected with that messages. So this is a very interesting message which is coming from Mayan new month, which is called the ninth month. Is CHEN, C-H-E-N, CHEN. CHEN means a process. Imagine yourself like in a boat, who has been in the sea or in the river or in the lake, coming from one destination to arrive to a safe port. This is more or less the thing connecting with the month CHEN. And the days who we are connected with say that we are being in a journey for a long time. And this long time could precede all that we have lived in these 365 days, that we call our year, until it's not, the Gregorian calendar, but it's connected in some way with the 365 days of the solar calendar in the Maya. So here we need to understand that there is a very important word. The word for these days is renovation. Renovation is like to go, with the symbol of the turtle, which is Ben, B-E-N. Ben is the key here to walk, every day renovated. To walk with the right, to walk with the left, but always connecting with the center. This is the key of the great teachers. The key of the great teachers is not to go or to the right or to the left, is to find the center, to find where is the center of myself, in order that I could renovate my life every day, in every instant, in every moment. Not to go to the right, not to go to the left. It's center. It's the Tao, it's the famous Tao that we need to find out. So Ben is the symbol of the turtle coming from the earth to the water, and in both sides, but then at the end is only one straight line. So in this time, and for this date, December, January, the Mayan New Year, we can say it that way too, is the recommendation of renovate. Renovate yourself. Renovate your life. You can do maybe certain renovations at home, maybe in your studio, your library, maybe in your own process, personal process, physically or emotionally, or in your organs, healings. I don't know. You can many chances to renovate yourself in your own process. So let's do that connection today to our meditation with the word renovation. Close your eyes. Today we have the symbol of Shell, because we have the full moon as a symbol of that renovation. The full moon renovates all what is Mother Nature, renovates and moves the tides and the sea, the rivers, the waters, the lakes, our blood, our sexual energy, tears, sweat, and all have a change. Renovation. Renovate yourself emotionally, spiritually, physically. Do what is needed to do to renovate you. So we're going to do a mantra who makes the connection with the turtle, the animal, the spirit totem that the Mayans use as a symbol of the balance and harmony, to renovate your steps in life. So we can do this mantra that is sound as one of the Mayan days and glyphs, Ben. Ben. help us to do this renovation, to do this transformation in our lives every day, guiding our steps in a better way, to really walk as all teachers have told to us, as the Mayan teachers taught to us, to walk in the light, to walk with wisdom, comprehension, balance. And as mothers, nature shows the renovation is everywhere, every day. 24 hours we are being renovated. That's why we are again connected with the mantra Ben, and to imagine yourself that renovation is happening in this moment, in this time in your life. We need the light, enlightenment, to connect with the energy of the sun every day. I invite you to do this mantra that is connecting with the energy of the sun, and see yourself full of love, full of light in all your physical body, your cells, your atoms, your organs. But at the same time in your heart, in your emotions, in your mind, in your thoughts, with the mantra the Mayans express, great respect and honor, love, the mantra King. Imagine the renovation of yourself through the golden light you're receiving from the sun, from the heart of the sky, from the heart of the earth. You receive the renovation of your life, spiritually, emotionally, physically, in all your organs, your emotions, your will, your consciousness, in your spirit. We'll send love and light, abundance, harmony, peace, kindness, and the renovation for positive, for the life, for the love, for the compassion, for the healing, for the restoration of our planet. reevaluate all the great possibilities we have for the transformation of this planet. Is your own planet, your own temple, to all living beings. So be it, so it is done. So be it, so it is done. So be it, so it is done. In Lakech, Alaken. Take a breath. Say thank you to your personal teachers, your spiritual guides, Father, Mother, thank you. Give us the strength of the sun and the moon, the abundance to renovate our life, the strength to feel healthy, physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Mother. Open your eyes. Showing this beautiful expression of Mother in shell with the rabbit represented that energy, who is the energy of renovation, energy of everything we can receive from Father and Mother. Have a beautiful day, and wishing you always the best.